Daylight saving time is coming this Sunday, and losing an hour of sleep is brutal. Waking up in a dark room tricks your brain into thinking it is still night. The solution is a sunrise alarm clock, which uses light to wake you up naturally. We tested the two best models for 2026, the Hatch Restore 3 and the Philips SmartSleep. First, the Hatch Restore 3. It features a beautiful fabric design that looks great on any nightstand. It connects to an app, allowing you to customize your sleep sounds and sunrise colors. It is perfect for people who want to build a healthy sleep routine. Second, the Philips SmartSleep Wake-up Light. This model is clinically proven to improve your energy in the morning. It has simple physical buttons and does not require a smartphone or subscription. It is the best choice for simplicity and effectiveness. So, which one should you buy for the time change? If you love smart tech and aesthetics, go with the Hatch Restore 3. If you want a reliable, subscription-free device, choose the Philips. Don't let the time change ruin your mornings. Check the link in the description to get the best price on these alarms. Thanks for watching.